Hi there, the summer has come and the heat is unbearable. To beat the heat, I'm going to show you one beautiful and very healthy recipe known as a masala buttermilk, or known as a masala chanch. This is going to be very easy, and in the summer do this drink and drink as much as possible and keep your body temperature low. Thus you can beat the heat of this summer. And let's see how this beautiful and healthy buttermilk masala is made. So before that, if it's your first time here, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will keep bringing you more such yummy recipes like this. So let's do this. Look, to make this masala buttermilk, all we require is only this much of ingredients. Those are nearly 300 ml of curd, 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves, and just a quarter teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, and a quarter teaspoon of black salt, salt according to taste, and 2 green chillies, 1 inch of a ginger. That's it. For this, we first need to make a masala for this. For this, I am taking a mixie jar. To this, I am going to add the green chillies and the coriander leaves and the ginger, black salt and the regular salt and the roasted jeera powder. To this, I will add some water and let this blend to a fine paste. And now look, the masala paste is now ready. Here I have taken the curd in a bowl. To this we'll filter this masala. And we need to discard this. Do remember, I am going to add water in a ratio of 1:4. According to the Ayurveda, it clearly mentions that you need to take 1:4 amount of water. For example, if you take 1 part of curd, then you need to take 4 parts of water. So that's the exact ratio what I used, or you can increase the quantity of the curd to make it some more thick. And with the help of a hand blender, I am going to beat this. And now look, it's been done. And now let's keep this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now look, it's been nearly 30 minutes in the fridge, and the masala chanch or the masala buttermilk is now ready. Look how frothy and how beautiful this looks. And to this, I'm taking a cooler like this. We'll add this. And now let's relish this masala buttermilk. This recipe is this easy. This recipe will take just a minute or so, but the health benefits of this is innumerable. Do this regularly in summer and maintain your body temperature. And if you drink frequently, at least 2 or 3 times a day, it will keep you hydrated in a sufficient way. And believe me, it's very healthy too. Hope you guys like this video. Catch you in next one. Till then, this is your host on this Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Namaste. If you're still here, don't forget to subscribe. Do that. It will motivate me immensely. Thank you for your time.